Hello my dear students, in the last class we have started the fraction and decimal chapter. In that term, I have solved one problem of exercise 2.1 and today we are going to start the second question. So what is that? Arrange the following in descending order. There are two questions are there but I have taken only one question because second question is a homework. Okay, so if you want to write in descending order, so I will write descending order, no, right? Descending order means first here, see here fractions. Descending order means starting from larger number to smaller number. So first here denominators are same. No. So first make the denominators same. So how to make it? First take LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So 9, 3, 21. So how to find out the LCM? First you have to take the common number. So in this number, is there any common number here? So see here, 3 is a common number. So divide. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are and 7. So if you want to find the LCM, you have to divide up to 1. Okay. So here next, is there any common number? No. So take it 3. 3 1s are 1 has 3 7. So next, remaining number is 7. 1. So what is the LCM? Multiplication of these numbers. So LCM equals to 3 into 3 into 7. So what will be the answer? 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are how much? 63. Okay. So now you get the LCM is 63. So now how to write this one? Equals to 2 by 9 is this, no? So how to write this one? What we have to multiply for 9 to get 63? Here 3 3s are 9 is there, no? Remaining number is 7. So you should multiply 7 to both numerator and denominator. So next 2 by 3 is there. So what we have to multiply for 3 to get 63? So give this 3, remaining number is 21. So multiply 21 to both numerator and denominator. And last one 8 by 21 is there. So what we have to multiply for 21 to get 63? 7 3s are 21, no? Remaining number is 3. So you should multiply 3 to both numerator and denominator. So now solve this one. 2 7s are 14. So you get denominator is 63, no? So every fraction denominator will get 63. 21 2s are 42. Divided by 63. By 21 3s are 63. Next, 8 3s are 24 divided by 63. Okay. So descending order they are. Descending means first you have to write the greatest number. So what is the greatest number here? Compare this first. Here denominators are same. So let's compare numerator. So which one is greater here? 14, 42 and 24. 42 is the greater number, no? So 42 by 63. So this one is greater. Next smaller number after 42, 24, 24 by 63 and last number is 14 by 63. 14 by 63. So original number. So what is the original number? Therefore, so what is that? 42 by 63. 2 by 3, no? 2 by 3. Next, 24 by 63 is 8 by 21 and remaining number is 2 by 9. So this is a descending order. So first what you have to do? First make the denominators same. How to make them? Just take the LCM of the denominators. You will get the LCM of that multiply. So you will get the fractions. Compare. You will get ascending order or descending order. So next third one is in a magic square. So magic square form you saw in integers chapter, no? So in a magic square the sum of numbers in each row, each column and along the diagonal is the same. Okay. Is this a magic square? So they have given the fractions here. So along the first row. So they have given first row. How to solve this one? First row 4 by 11. Just add it. Okay. Sum means you should add the fractions. No? If you you get the same answer when you add all the rows, all column and diagonals. Okay. So first row 4 by 11, 9 by 11, 2 by 11. So here denominators are same. So just add the numerator. 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So 15 by 11. So this is the first row. So solve first rows. Okay. So first one finish no. Second one, second row. So this is the second row. 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. So add it. What will you get answer? So here denominators are same. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. So 15 by 11. So second row sum is 15 by 11. So next third row. So which is the third row? This is the third row. 8 by 11. 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So here also denominators are same. So you can add only numerator. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15. So all three rows have same sum. So next, so this is for row. So next for column. Okay. So next for column. So first column, this is the first column no? 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 8 by 11. So first column 4 by 11, 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. So add it. What will get answer? So here 11 is common. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15. So first column has a sum 15 by 11. So next column, this is second column 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. Fine. If you add, you will get 15 by 11 only. Okay. So here 11 is common. 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 1 15. So second column has also the sum 15 by 11. So next third column 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So add what will get the answer? Sum is same. 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 6 15 no? 15. So all the rows and columns have the same sum. So now just take it for diagonals. Okay. So first diagonal. So what are the fractions? First diagonal is 4 by 11, 5 by 11, 6 by 11. So there diagonals, first diagonal. This one is second diagonal. So first diagonal fractions are 4 by 11, 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Okay. So now solve this one. 11 is common. So you can add the numerator 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15. And second one 2 by 11, 5 by 11, 8 by 11. 2 by 11, 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. So now check this one. 11 is common no? So add the numerator 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15. So see here all the rows and columns and diagonals are the same sum no? If they have same sum, that means this is a magic square. So therefore this is a magic square. This is the magic square. Next fourth one, a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Okay. So first you should know the perimeter of rectangle. Rectangular means rectangle shape. No? So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 into bracket L plus B. So L is length and B is breadth. But here they want wide. Wide means take it as page 1. So first, length of rectangular sheet equals to, what is the length page 1? Tolu integer 1 by 2. 1 by 2, no? So first, convert this one. This is a mixed fraction, no? Convert it to improper. 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 2 centimeter. So length of the rectangular sheet is 25 by 2 centimeter. So next, width of rectangular sheet equals to, what is the width given? 10 integer 2 by 3. So convert it. 10 into 3, 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. 32 by 3 centimeter. Okay. So now perimeter of rectangular sheet equals to 2 times of length plus width. Okay. So put the values. 2 into bracket, what is the length? 25 by 2 plus width is 32 by 3. 32 by 3. So now solve this one. So addition of fractions. So here denominators are different now. So directly you can multiply. Why? Because if you take the LCM, you will get 6 only. Why? Because there is no common number here. 2 and 3. Is there any common number except 1? If there is no common number, means you can multiply directly here. Okay. 2 into 25 into 3 plus 32 into 2 divided by 2 into 3. Okay. Now solve this one. What will be the answer? So as is 25 3s are 75 plus 32 2s are 64 divided by 6 as is. Okay. So now add it. 75 plus 64. What will be the answer? 2 into bracket 5 plus 4 9 7 plus 6 13 divided by 6. Okay. So now cancellation possible. Here 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what will be the answer? 139 by 3. So always convert this into mixed fraction. So how to convert this one? 139 is there, no? 3. Convert it to 3. 4s are 12. 1 remains. So next, this one is 0, 9, 3, 6 are 80. So what will be the answer here? 46 integer 1 by 3. 46 integer 1 by 3 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rectangular sheet equals to, sheet is 46 integer 1 by 3 centimeter. Okay.